Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got the August Monster Bass multi-species Midwest bag. We're gonna do an unboxing of this today, so let's go ahead and jump in. My goal here is to be able to provide you guys with a little bit of insight as to what's in these bags, so in case you wanna pick one up yourself, you absolutely can. Or if you see a bait that you're interested in, you can just grab that bait. All right, so the first thing that we have is the B8 Lab Tournament Winning Action. We've got a hard bait. We'll go ahead and open this up. It says it's a rocket shad, 100 millimeter, 3/4 ounce floating. And this is the SXY Ghost. It's clear, small little bill on the front of it. Got a little bit of a black on the head. Treble hooks, they've got a little band on them, so they're tied together. And you've got the weights all across the bottom. I don't know how well you can see that. And it does have a little bit of a rattle to it. That rattle's just a little piece of loose, I think it's plastic that's inside of it, but those balls across the bottom are just for weight. It doesn't actually make the sound. You've got Euro Tackle, Micro Finesse. I love these for ice fishing, so I know that I'll use these guys. They work out great. These are the Green Pumpkin, 8 of them. This is the 1.75 inch Euro tube. Next up, some more plastics here. These are 1.5 inch Mismo specs, 12 pack of the Chartreuse Blue Glitter. Nice baits. Next up, we've got a Team Arc TB115. It's a floating hard bait. Here it is. It's a 4.5 inch, 5/8 ounce hard bait. We do have 2 treble hooks on the bottom, and you can hear the rattle pretty good on this one. This is a real nice bait. And you can see you tie onto the back of it, and so it's gonna sit like this in the water column. And I just noticed we've actually got 3 treble hooks. So we've got one down here, another one towards the front, and then one right on the tip. So as it's sitting in the water column, fish can come up and grab it. I like this. I'm gonna actually use this hopefully this next weekend out on the water. Hopefully you'll see it in that video. Booyah Bait Co. XCS. This is their Crawdad. Look at the coloring on this thing. It looks really cool. We've got a orangish yellow bottom into a reddish orange black top, the red eye. Bill on the front and 2 nice treble hooks on it. All right, we got these guys. There's some stuff all over it. I think this bag opened up, which is just wonderful, right? Because it's garlic and salt impregnated. They smell horrible. So I'm hoping the fish like that smell, but I gotta wash everything off here when I'm done because these guys are stinky little guys. But anyways, they are chartreuse pepper in color. I like the coloring on it. They're really soft. These should work out really well. I imagine bass are gonna just love these things. 3/8 ounce tungsten flipping weight from MONSTERBASS. So that's kind of cool. I don't have a lot of these tungsten weights yet, so these are gonna come in real handy. It's got the 1/64 ounce lead heads from Mismo Bait Co. These will go well with these guys. As you can imagine, tie them up. We'll be hitting panfish like crazy. And then the rest that's in the bag here, let's take a look. Looks like we've got monster stops. That's kind of cool. These always come in handy. I haven't used these a ton yet. I've got a few in my tackle box, but I'm excited to use them more now. These are a really, really easy way to get that stop on there. And then we've got a Monster Bass sticker. It's got some of that garlic, salt, and pepper all over it, so it smells just delicious. Absolutely amazing. And then we've got a free bait coupon. Get a full pack of Strike King Ned Ochos free. There we go. I don't use these things, so whoever's watching this video and uses this code, evidently you're gonna be able to get some free bait. So check it out. Benefits of subscribing to the channel right there. Golden ticket. Again, I don't use these things, so another benefit to any of you guys that watch the channel that wanna use this stuff, go look at all my other videos. I don't use any of these codes, so have at it. But golden ticket, and then of course the bag. which I absolutely appreciate. More soft plastics in here. These things come in handy. If I were to choose, I think my favorite bait out of this bag is gonna be this floating top water. I'm excited to use this. I don't have anything of this style currently, so I'm excited to be able to do the walk the dog thing, try to catch some bass with it. Thanks again to each and every one of you for watching the video till the end. I've got a lot more of these and other videos on the channel. Check out the playlist on the screen and go down in the comments. Let me know what your favorite bait is here. And I'm also looking to pick up some new boxes and or bags as we move towards the fall season. So if you have any recommendations on any other companies that I should check out, please let me know. Right now I got Seasons Tackle going, and then of course Monster Bass, which I think is wrapping up here, but I'll probably extend it a little bit further, or maybe I'll take a break and wait to see what their ice fishing bags look like too. So, but anyways, thank you all for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. Until next time, take it easy.